You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, your go-to space for all things global relocation, powered by the experts at SDC International Moving, to make moving abroad feel less like chaos and more like an adventure. Today, we're answering the question, should you store or ship? One of the most overlooked but most important questions in an international move is this: do you really need to take everything with you? For many Southern Californians, the answer is no. Whether you're downsizing for a temporary assignment abroad or transitioning to a new lifestyle overseas, storage can be the smart, strategic move. At SDC, we offer secure, climate-controlled storage options in California and at many destination points, allowing you to split your shipment between what goes now and what waits until later, or stays behind altogether. Here's when to consider storage. Here's some common scenarios where our clients used short or long-term storage. If you're moving overseas temporarily for work, education, or maybe military service, you plan to furnish your new home with local pieces and don't want to bring bulky furniture. You're selling your California home but don't have a destination address yet. You're relocating in stages, family moves later, or business comes first. Here's how it works. SDC will help you by first, packing and labeling which items go to storage versus overseas. Second, pick up everything at once. We'll separate your shipment at our warehouse. Third, store your goods in climate-monitored 24/7 secure facilities. And fourth, schedule delivery back to the U.S. or arrange future shipping abroad. We also offer complimentary first-month storage for international clients, helping you ease into your transition without the pressure of immediate decisions. What you should not store. While we can store almost anything, it's smart to avoid storing perishables or foods, legal documents, or irreplaceable family records. Make sure you take those with you, or items you'll need access to within the next 6 to 12 months. Suppose you're moving from hot Southern California city like Palm Springs or Riverside. In that case, our climate-controlled storage protects sensitive items, including instruments, artwork, leather furniture, and electronics, from temperature extremes and humidity damage. That's a wrap for this episode. For a smooth and reliable international move, contact SDC International Shipping. Give us a call or visit us online.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.